If you're looking for an AI powered internal knowledge assistant for your team in 2025, Base44 and Bolt AI are two strong contenders, but they serve different types of organizations. Base44 is purpose built for regulated industries like finance, law, and healthcare. It connects your internal Slack or Stack, think CRMs, wikis, PDFs, and spreadsheets, and generates reliable answers backed by traceable sources. It's designed for enterprise level control with a focus on compliance, versioning, and secure access. If you're a deal or if you deal with sensitive data and need accuracy over speed, Base 44 delivers. Bolt AI, meanwhile, is fast, general purpose, and designed for quick team development and deployment. It integrates with Notion, Slack, Google Drive, and more. No code required. You can ask it anything about your internal docs, and it replies in seconds with summaries, action items, or contacts. It's more informal and perfect for startups or fast moving teams that value speed over precision. Choose Base 44 if you need dependable, verifiable answers within a secure and structured setup. Choose Bolt AI if your team wants fast insights from scattered sources without jumping through hoops. Base 44 is for large, compliance heavy organizations, while Bolt is for nimble teams that need instant knowledge on demand. Pick based on your team size, industry, and risk tolerance.